Really trying to be outside the Alkaline concert. I'm really thinking, and tell me if y'all down. If y'all down, I'll put it together. I'm thinking to make a field trip to the concert. I'm thinking the girls connect on WhatsApp, create a group chat, buy our tickets, throw our seats.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Man, remember you know, Barclays Center, March 21st, it a go loud. Cause look you know, Vendetta ladies them a plan, you know. Yo, the Vendetta girl them, I say, yo, Alkaline, you have to give them picture, you know. And that the Vendetta girl, them I say right now, you know. Them have to get them picture with the lad. You understand? So, look what she say.
Really trying to be outside the Alkaline concert. I'm really thinking, and tell me if y'all down. If y'all down, I'll put it together. I'm thinking to make a field trip to the concert. I'm thinking the girls connect on WhatsApp, create a group chat, buy our tickets, throw our seats in there. You know, either we pregame before the concert together, or we hang out after the concert. But me, I'm 32. I can't really hang out that long. We might have to do something before the concert and get a little lit. You know, so I'm 32, but sometimes my body be like, bitch, you might be 52 and don't know it. So I don't know if I could do the after, but maybe we could do something before. We could call it the Alkaline field trip with Des, of course. And we all realistically not going to be able to sit together, but we can hang out before, you know, vibe it out.
Yo, I play the Vendetta girls, you know. The girl them a plan field trip. I say, you know, it's serious, you know. Barclays, you don't know New Rules / Reggae Fest. You don't know March 21st. Yeah, man, go get to no ticket, man, because no nothing normal. I tell you, touch up your place.
And we need to tag Alkaline, and fuck it. He need to take a picture with us. He needs to take a picture with the school, with the field trip girls. I like that idea. If y'all down, let me know if y'all down. Let's make this shit shake. And then we're going to tag Alkaline and tell him he got to at least give us a picture. Because we come to support him with love. I like that idea. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all fucking with it, I'm gonna start the WhatsApp group by the end of the week. Give me some time, bitch. We busy. But if y'all not fucking with it, it's okay too. Regardless, I'm still going. It's okay. So I see the
Yeah, man, the Vendetta girl, them not live for them artists. That me I tell you. Them ready. You see it. Yeah, man, so make sure you say you go get a ticket, you know. Cause look at a girl, them a buy half a ticket right now. You understand? Them a buy half a ticket, them. A bunch of girl. You see it, so I don't know what things said. Barclays March 21st. It a go loud. You see me? So all I Vendetta people them, me know in Brooklyn it roll out, you know. Yeah man, cause I don't know young lad. New rules. I don't know young lad things stay already, you know. Barclays 2026. You understand? But look at now people. I see a girl forward out, you know. I'ma tell you, that's what I'ma tell you, say your Alkaline music, longevity. There always be a music where Alkaline sing where like years after people always take a quote out of it and you know try to use it for motivate people. But people me I go play it and me couldn't see what I go on.
Alkaline sing a song say try again if you never make it last year. Try again if you never make it last year. You know the song when me talk about the same song there. And this go for some of we and most of we because even though we never make it last year in aspects that we wish we would, we have a new year that we are in right now. God give us a next opportunity to try again. And if you're not try, you're not gonna know if you will be able to make it or not. So guess what? Alkaline did sing it and Alkaline did say it. Try again if you never make it last year. You're not gonna sit down and you're not gonna waste no time, you're gonna try again. Because this year might be the year that you accomplish everything that you was trying for last year. Try again. From you have life, you have everything, and without God, you are nothing. So put God in a regular hit, make God be a foundation and the center. Try again. That's all I have to say.
Try again. We never make it last year. Try again. Yo. Glad you them days there. You don't know a Vendetta boss. Yeah man, you know things said people and not normal, so look at now. Alkaline always a drop music, inspires music and you know, where people can really look up, feel like, you know, not give up on them life and certain things. Yeah man, you don't know things said people, so I think we need to see what the brother you are saying up people.
Yo, Alka. Somebody talk Alka for me there real quick. Alka. Yo, how you do it? Okay, you know, so we didn't tell people say you're not relevant. What do you mean you're not relevant? Like, you're not relevant. You're never relevant at work, I never you and family. or massacre war, but them just a call it name, but Alka, me never mean it relevant like that, but Alka.
Yo, dog. Yo. Man, I tell you, yo. People that don't know the use of Alkaline drop it though. No emotion, no emotions. Yo. That me I tell you. In Blood Game 7. Take him out. That me I tell you. No play. The song a go on good people. Me I tell you. Me see some people repost it and you know it a go on good. You see me, that song a look good for it 2026. You see it? Yeah man, you see all that first part there when it say yo, him now on a service. Yeah man. You know getting him now on a service. Yeah man, bad connection. You see it? But the brother say something.
How you do it, Alka? Oh, sick lad. Alka, how you do it? Alka, me don't want to see a post a picture more time or a story, but Alka, how you do it? Me see some man on the internet every day. Said so. He not a camera, but Alka.
I saw a thing, you know, as a musician, you see with Alkaline now, him focus on music. That's why I'm different from every other dancehall artist. The man not too in the media thing. The man is an artist, and as an artist, you're supposed to focus on music. And that's the main goal. You understand? You're not supposed to depend on the media every day, post this, ray, bam, bam, them thing they will kill your career them way there. You see it? So Alkaline and music him deal. You don't realize say yo, every time Alkaline drop a music, it always be a talk about. People are review it. People are listen to it. Like when Alka drop a song, it's like yo, the whole world are talk about it. You understand? But it's like through some artists like them kinda they in the media thing and them little thing. It's like when them drop them song, it's like you know to hear nobody at all, you know? But people know say look at now. Them not say Alka with no bag of posting and all of them little thing there. So look at now. Alka when I drop all one song for y'all one next 4 months. But people when him drop a song, it's like yo, people must say, yo, how you do it? You understand? But in music, in making music talk. And that are the unique thing about the youth. You see me?
The music like this, Alka, you're relevant. What is wrong with you? We know you're relevant, Alka. Oh, Lord. Alka, because of boom with them, I make them know say, yo, you shell on the wall 6. I don't connect try to see about the 6 bars, they shell on the wall 6. You see me? From them time, the man say mechanic go do all, go turn all pain artist to pussy lad.
Yo, dog, I tell you, but I say, yo, Alkaline, shake up the 6 them in a dog. People, who remember when the 6 them are running place? Remember them days when the man must say, yo, if you not say 6, no girl no want you. Right now, if you say 6, no girl no want you right now. You understand? Yo, I tell the people, yo, I don't know, Alkaline, dangerous youth. Don't play that youth there. You understand? Cause me not lie. From the man, from Alkaline, this up is 6 them. You have one artist where they in the camp named Daddy One. He come like man career right off, brother. And he shot no catch him, you know. The lyrical shot no catch him, you know. And a film career right off. Uncle somebody we can say, yo, shot fire off, I must say lyrically. I must say squash and chronic law. And no touch Daddy One and a film career. From after Alkaline did the 6 away, it's like Daddy One career just it can't return back, brother. It can't return. You understand? Can't return, people. So you know, say Alkaline really do a damage to his 6 thing. Cause after a man do that, brother, it's like 6 thing just water down. You see it?
Can I say them something nice, you know? I want to see that comment, you know. I'm looking at my comment box, the ask lad. BA sitting. Yeah, man, a wood song. Ricky Rudy. Yo, Alka, body na youth. Body blood clot, body no. Now you own a class, you know. You see me? And you teach your own a class. You just relax, you just a cruise. You make it look easy, bro.
Yeah, man. I vendetta bastard, man. Easy. You see it? I saw a boss did him thing, man. Man, there's a cruise, bro. Alkaline good in a dancehall, you know, brother. No matter what them talk, you know. Man good, him have him own fan base, brother. You understand? Man can do what him want. Man can just drop tune. You see it? Yeah. So, the man that's a do him thing, man a sell out him show them and all of them look at things. So, Alkaline good.
Make it look easy, bro. Bro, you have to tell me what you have to do. You have to go make me know for these thing, bro. Big man thing, bro. You wanna talk Alka, man, fast. Yo.
Yeah, man, people, cause, yo, Alka do it. I tell you, Alka do it. No joke. People want to hear this, you know. Yeah, man, you know have to hear this what go on, man. You see me? Yeah, man, this across the waters. Me couldn't hear what go on here, go on.
Tell you, the people and the girls, them love Alkaline. Them love him so bad. Them love everything.
Alkaline is a veteran artist now. Alkaline is more than. And you said he's mainstream.
Yeah, he's mainstream. He's crossed over
Crossover where?
into the North American market. People know him.
What song?
Better sit up, but that's a loyalty. You better go and remember me. Me now sell out, me now sell out.
So people, yo, me tell you, say Alkaline, yo, remember you know, the song name No Emotions, you know, people, right? The song name No Emotions. But it come like say, this a take out all of the emotions out of them, man, yeah, because, brother, the man them a ball pan the ear with that brother, I say, here what go on.
No emotions first, man. The dog find it, dog.
No. Him not find nothing. I tell you why.
Hear why him say Alkaline no find no song. Hear.
This we can't take with Unu in a dog, you know?
Got you.
This we can't take.
Yeah, you're right.
Why, when the man drop a song, I see him thing where everybody say, oh, he might have a man there. Oh, and the part the way he say, I feel that man there, I feel that part. Dog, you don't feel that people tell you something, you know?
Man stress out.
Yeah, talk about it's subliminal.
Yeah, you have to go read one encyclopedia and go read one whole Bible and go read one dictionary and go dog.
People, me tell you now, Alkaline music make them money have to go back in them school days, go back in some dictionary to go look for some word. I tell you, the way Alkaline music powerful, dog. Yo, man put them to class, dog. You understand?
You can see alright, me see all about she vlogger.
Yeah.
Them use one line and say, oh, this go for that one day and this go for that one day. And everybody attack different. What's the problem? Everybody attack different things. You see me I say? My advice to you is go do some girl song or just do some fun song or some happy song then, because this not work out for him.
No man, no emotions first, man. The dog find the dog.
Yo, people, I tell you now, the man are well stressed out in a dog. It come like Alkaline for do. Let me tell you, Alkaline for do some smash. And them song them man them Alkaline do, you know. Smash, oh yeah, smash. And them song that them want hear, dog. Them no want a song where them can learn from. Go look up words and learn for words and know description and them. They don't want them type of song there, brother. You understand? They don't want them type of song there, dog. But you don't know. An Alkaline dropping music and everybody have to talk about it. All who don't like it, all who say it flop. But at the end of the day, trust me, them know a line in it. You understand? And that's how it goes. It just like a hurt up the haters, them, you know? Because much artists are drop song in a dancehall. Them not. You think them a go up on a podium and talk about a next artist song? Like how them talk about Alkaline song? Yeah, man. Them we say, sure, song of this and song of that. But them listening the most. Them know every line. You understand? Yo, me I tell you, say, yo, me see one brother, man, say, yo, what is Alkaline job? But he can sing his song, you know. Man, I sing his song all passion. I say, brother, no use. So you sing his song. I say, bro, John, no dog, gonna dangerous dog. But when you don't know things, set. Remember, you know, Alkaline and all on the music thing right now in a dancehall, you know. Yeah, man, when Alkaline make the people ma focus on music, no rather than them hate it or what, but them a focus on music. Them not focus on no drama, no controversy thing or, you know. Remember, you know, Alkaline never call nobody name in a song, you know. It's just a fans and different people. You know, for them opinion, I go speculate something, but we not sure who them are really go for. We only can just speculate and say, alright, that go on. Alkaline could not talk about anybody. I remember, you know, brother, Alkaline really made people like that, so you don't know a thing set, but people, you don't know a vendetta boss. And as me say, Barclays March 21st, don't know a thing set. Yeah, man, and you don't know a one media fox, man. That is it.